Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play Atlas Earth Bowling Event. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is click onto events, and as you can see here we've got Atlas Bowling. We want to go ahead and click on go to event. Now a little pop-up will show. We can go ahead and look at the leaderboard here. So this is the current leaderboard, and you can see what position you are on the top left hand corner of this box here. And then you can also see the payout details. So if you come first, second place, third place, you can see how many Atlas points you will get for that. Now in order to play, go ahead and go back and click on find match. Then from here an ad might appear, so go ahead and skip through the ad, and then it will say looking for opponents. So it'll say your name, and then they're going to find someone to match you against, so you need to try and beat in order to get wins. So at the bottom here we've got a scroller here, so we want to go in and click on bowl. When that little cross thing gets in the middle of the green, that's the idea. And then once you do that, you can see your points at the top here. So currently on 2 versus 4, and you can see this slider getting faster and faster, making it more difficult to hit. So you can see I just got one in the middle of the green. So yeah, go ahead and click on bowl. Once that marker is in the middle of green, that's the whole idea of the game, and to beat your opponent. Now if you beat your opponent, you're going to get a win, and the more wins you get equates to the more Atlas bucks you will be able to achieve at the end of the event.